Hello there, my young scientists. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of climate change and how human activities can impact our environment. So grab your lab coats and safety goggles, because we are about to embark on an exciting scientific journey. Let's start by discussing the concept of climate change. Climate change refers to long-term changes in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric conditions in a particular region. These changes can have a wide range of effects on our planet, including rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems. One of the main ways that humans contribute to climate change is through the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space. This leads to an increase in global temperatures, a phenomenon known as global warming. So, how do we release these greenhouse gases into the atmosphere? Well, one major source is the burning of fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, for energy. When we burn these fuels, we release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which contributes to the greenhouse effect. Another way that human activities can influence climate is through deforestation. Trees play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. When we cut down forests, we not only release stored carbon back into the atmosphere, but we also reduce the planet's ability to remove carbon dioxide from the air. Urbanization is another factor that can impact climate. As more and more people move to cities, we see an increase in energy consumption, transportation emissions, and the creation of heat islands. Heat islands are urban areas that experience higher temperatures than surrounding rural areas due to the abundance of concrete and asphalt, which absorb and retain heat. Now let's talk about the cross-cutting concept of systems and system models. When we study climate change, we must consider the Earth as a complex system with interconnected components, such as the atmosphere, oceans, land, and living organisms. By using system models, scientists can better understand how these components interact and how changes in one part of the system can have far-reaching effects on the whole. As budding scientists, it is important for us to use scientific evidence to support our claims about climate change. Scientists have been studying the Earth's climate for decades and have amassed a wealth of data that clearly shows a warming trend and the role that human activities play in driving this change. By analyzing temperature records, satellite observations, and ice core samples, we can see the undeniable impact that humans are having on our planet. In conclusion, it is crucial for us to understand how human activities, such as the release of greenhouse gases, deforestation, and urbanization, can influence climate change. By recognizing our role in this process, we can take steps to mitigate our impact and work towards a more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Remember, the power of science lies in our ability to observe, question, and analyze the world around us. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep striving to make a positive difference in the world. Thank you for joining me on this scientific adventure, and until next time, stay curious.